Dude, this guy uses thesaurus.com for a week and he gets all excited when he finds a new word.
Matt?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, no doubt. Matt gets online and says, "What word can I say tomorrow to actually like make it sound like I know something?"
Yeah. I didn't know how to spell thesaurus, so that joke's on you.
Yo, I saw something that you might like on a YouTube ad the other day. It was a headlamp.
Not alcohol.
No, it was a headlamp. Like it wasn't just one spot in the middle. It was like a LED strip across the whole way. So
Oh,
like
wow.
lit up like the whole area you're in.
I could be looking like a Cummins, is what you're saying. Yeah, nice. You should have sent it to me. Guess you don't give a f about me.
No, I didn't. I forgot to click on it. It was my fault.
Yeah. It's alright, I'm used to it.
Oh, you still doing your can?
You starting tonight? This is the way I'd go about it. I'd be like, yeah, babe. Get here at 6. Grab me a 6-pack on your way. Work till you're done the 6 beers.
Beer in my fridge.
No, I mean for here.
Oh, for here?
Yeah, I'm saying drink the 6 beers, and when you're done the 6 beers, go home.
You heard it here first.
I can't be the here tonight because we're going to the movies tonight. But
That way, it'll take you 45 minutes.
45 minutes for a 6-pack?
Yeah,
That's one beer.
yeah.
Drink warm beer all the time?
No.
You set it back in the fridge every minute?
Matt can
Jesus.
take down a fucking 16-pack in fucking an hour. Like,
You're not wrong.
no shit. I'm not being sarcastic or joking or anything.
Kyle's just like a little more sensible. Doesn't want to drink a 6-pack and then drive home.
Put down beers, that's fine. But like when I'm just chilling,
Yeah.
that's my speed is not that.
These guys are getting worried. My God.
Worried or just, we're not alcoholics? One or the other.
Yeah, I don't know. You wearing cologne?
No, I just shower every day.
I mean, I shower too, but I don't smell like a hooker.
I just use the generic like Dove soap. What do you mean?
Mm-hmm. He sounded like he's got on John Schwab fucking from Mason.
You think I would have got some Versace?
It's Schwab, hey!
Looking like you got Johnny Schwab on.
Oh, man. Good old John Schwab.
You know, I was about to give you a compliment on how nice this looks, but
I mean, I know how nice it looks.
you toot your own horn anyway, so I don't have to.
Oh, I take pride in my work. Attention to detail. Yeah, I wish we could say the same about your videos.
Yeah.
Tell him how good it looks.
He got me.
He's already told himself
Smoked
how good it
him.
looks.
He got me.
Yeah,
What the? Yeah, I laugh at my own jokes. I snicker a little behind the camera.
Snicker, huh?
Snicker, huh?
Good word, huh?
Yeah, I've only heard that used in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what was so funny about that.
Even I remember.
I mean, I know what he's talking
Got
about.
him.
Banner is
Yeah.
a word used in Europe a lot more than over here.
Did I tell you my mom said it the other day? Just like normal conversation. I was like, yeah.
Dude, this guy uses thesaurus.com for a week and he gets all excited when he finds a new word.
Matt?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, no doubt. Matt gets online and says, "What word can I say tomorrow to actually like make it sound like I know something?"
Yeah. I didn't know how to spell thesaurus, so that joke's on you.
Might head to the mall tonight and get some John Suave.
Low side fuel system. Another one bites the dust, dude. How many of these you done like in the past 2 weeks?
I don't know.
Way too many.
I don't keep track. Just get my job done.
Now what, this is also getting meth, correct?
Yep. Knock out the fuel system today and get one step closer.
take 972,000 of camshafts.
Since you count all the ones that have been installed in the shop, yeah, I'm sure it has. Bingo. What's his name out?
Now you just gotta reassemble the whole front cover, put the heads back, new heads back on, and that's about it, right?
And then it's getting the memo
Yeah.
intake, and then Nick Williams throttle body, 103 throttle body, and then just normal Veraram.
Yeah. So the CTS-B is ready to dyno.
Yes.
Awesome.
Well, Fran's got to flash it first.
Yes.
So you can throw it down.
Yeah. I'm jumping the gun a little, but it looks like earlier this morning Kyle went ahead and put the blower lid back on and fit the RPM intake as well. CTS-V Kyle was working on
There you go.
about last week.
You have to guess what kind of car it was again, or
I did not.
Basically, a full stage 1 package, pulley, heat exchanger, full cam package, ATI lower. That's it. Basically, cam, heat exchanger, 5-inch intake, injectors.
So let's see what it does, I guess.
Now let's do it. This thing's doing good. And it might make 700. Probably because it's a manual. I'm used to like automatic numbers. Automatic will probably make 20 less than this. So that's where the difference is. So this thing may make 700. And this thing's like dumb clean for how many miles are on it. There's 75,000 miles on it. Usually these things, when you come in, you see them, they're kind of like beat. But this thing's like super clean. You don't see very many stick ones. Mine was manual too. But 90% of the ones we do are auto. I don't mind a little manual every once in a while. Call that the Helllcat Killer. 707, 707. Isn't that what Hellcats are rated at? 707, I think?
I think, yeah. I think from the factory that's to the crank.
Yeah, it is.
So,
It is.
I mean, these things are a little beefier than the Corvettes in terms of weight, but that's still going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
That's a sick take your kids to soccer practice cart.
Isn't his license plate pretty cool too? I forget what it says. It says something on it though.
Senior citizen, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm
Whoa,
tripping.
watch
I'm
your
tripping
step
here.
there.
I'm dying. Today's the day.
Have a nice trip, buddy.
Yeah. We're gonna say see you next fall as well.
No, I'm not.
I was hoping to get a good laugh in, but I might vomit. Ate too much for lunch.
Too much McDonald's again?
No, never again. Well, maybe
Never
like
again.
Maybe like once
Leave that for a second.
once every 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see.
I know how you are at McDonald's.
It's a love-hate, all right?
Now that you're a big bodybuilder, you can't be doing that stuff.
Yeah, I guess not.
No, that's what they told you, right?
Yeah.
At McDonald's, now that you're pumping iron.
Well, I can have a cheat day every once in a while, I guess. But
Yeah?
well, my diet's more so I see it, I eat it kind of deal.
It's not good.
But enough about that.
That's not good, buddy.
Thing's gonna be spicy.
Spicy like a spicy chicken sandwich at McDonald's.
From McDonald's? that was a really good segue. I appreciate that. I give you kudos on that one. So you just finished up the meth kit, tank, and everything, and then
Meth
that was
kit,
pretty much it, right?
Yeah, the tank, everything, yeah. Just have to put the hood on, Fran has to flash it. Ready for the dyno.
Cool.
We're gonna get the actual first startup.
What is this part?
What?
What is this part? I've
There's
never done this before.
This collar and these sleeves are plastic,
Okay.
but they make a metal one. So you gotta pop this ring out. But you gotta make sure anyway, they're just a pain in the asshole to put back in. See? This one's plastic. This one's metal. Can't really hear the difference that much, but it's metal. This is the tricky part, setting it back in. But I did it first try, so. Actually got pretty good at them. I was struggling the first time I did them. Struggles.
On the struggle bus, man.
I was.
I feel that. Ring, ring, hello. We're calling about your car's extended warranty.
It's not even that anymore.
No? Not getting any
Like
of those?
masquerading as like Invisalign and shit like that now.
What?
Yeah, it'll say Invisalign is calling me. I've never once looked into Invisalign.
Wait, so they actually called you and like said we're trying to sell you?
I didn't answer.
Oh,
They
you
looked
looked
at
at
the
caller
message.
ID.
There you go. I'm so and so from Invisalign. Contact us for a follow up for something or other. I was like, oh, that's weird. I don't remember ever asking. Hook me in the line, try to get my info.
Yeah.
Joke's on them, there ain't much there.
And voila. Another Camaro. Good old Matty. I think it was around 425, wasn't it?
Sounds about right.
Yeah. So I think, yeah, because I think we guessed 420, 425, and 430. So what's going on with this guy?
Just getting our cam package and valve covers. It's already full bowl on, so.
Okay. That's pretty simple. So you'll be doing the cam probably sometime later today?
Yep. Yeah, I just gotta pop the rockers off, then I'll be ready to pull the cam out. Probably by, right after lunch.
Heard a little something over there. I don't know what.
Sounded like a duck to me.
Yeah, it was like a goose or a duck. I don't know.
Goose, yeah. Could have been.
Could have been a gaggle of them.
A gaggle of geese.
Gaggle geese. I'll get my phone out right now and let her rip. So, just getting started on these valve springs. So, bang out some valve springs, get the valve covers on. Last night, I got the rails on, remade the catch can lines because I just couldn't let them leave the way they were. And now that everything, my few lines I made will be, everything's gonna match. So.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate all the love and support. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias and stay tuned for the next video.